Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Amazon advertising bids with Amazon Ads, detailed guide step by step clearly. Log into your Amazon advertising account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the dashboard. Select the campaign you want to update. Click on the Bids section within the campaign. Review the current bids for each ad group. Determine whether you need to increase or decrease the bids based on performance metrics. Consider factors such as click-through rates and conversion rates. Use the Edit button to change individual bids, or select Bulk Edit for multiple ad groups. Input the new bid amounts in the designated fields. Double-check your entries for accuracy. Click the Save button to apply your changes. Monitor the performance of your campaigns after the update. Adjust your bids regularly based on ongoing data analysis. Stay informed about industry trends that may affect bidding strategies. Repeat this process to ensure your campaigns remain competitive. Maintain organized records of past bid changes for future reference. Always test different bidding strategies for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.